गवर्नर जिष्णु वर्मा ने जिला निजामाबाद में तेलंगाना यूनिवर्सिटी के दूसरे कॉन्वोकेशन तकरीब में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर गवर्नर ने तलबा में असनाद तकसीम किए और तकरीब से खिताब भी किया। इस तकरीब में यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर और दीगर ओहदेदारों ने शिरकत की।
Dedicated to training students in vital 21st century skills like communication, critical thinking, public speaking, resource management, and resilience. Telangana University's initiatives in this direction are praiseworthy, and I encourage the expansion of these efforts. Dear students, I urge you to set realistic goals, preserve through challenges, and believe in your ability to shape your own future. The world is now borderless. Opportunities exist far beyond geographical constraints. Hone your skills, build your character, and embrace global platforms. To the faculty, I earnestly urge, continue to provide an immense and interdisciplinary education, one that prepares students not only for careers, but for life itself. I am also pleased to note that the university is engaged in socially relevant research, seeking solutions to pressing challenges. In this regard, I encourage the adoption of public engagement.